Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called algorithm. The word algorithm means a set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem solving operation, or a procedure for solving a mathematical problem in a finite number of steps that frequently by a recursive operation. Therefore, algorithm refers to a sequence of finite steps to solve a particular problem. Algorithms can be simple and complex depending on what you want to achieve. It can be understood by taking the example of cooking a new recipe. The cook to cook a new recipe, one reads the instruction and steps and executes them one by one in a given sequence. The result thus obtained is a new dish cooked perfectly. Every time you use your phone, computer, laptop or calculator, you are using algorithm. Similarly, algorithm help to do a task in programming to get the expected output. The algorithm design are language independent, that is, they are just plain instructions that can be implemented in any language and yet the output will be the same as expected. Characteristic of algorithms are clear and unambiguous. The algorithm should be clear and unambiguous. Each of its steps should be clear in all aspects and must lead to only one meaning. Well-defined input should be there. If the algorithm says to take inputs, it should be well-defined input. Also, well-defined outputs. The algorithm must clearly define what output will be yielded and it should be well-defined as well. Finiteness. The algorithm must be finite, that is, it should terminate after a finite time. Feasible. The algorithm must be simple, generic and practical such that it can be executed with the available resources. It must not contain some future technology or something similar. Language independent. The algorithm design must be language independent, that is, it must be just plain instructions that can be implemented in any language and yet the output will be the same as expected. Thanks for watching. Bye.